Today I'm be doing an unboxing. I might have gotten just a tad bit carried away after receiving my first paycheck, but that's okay. My best friend actually got me these. I already opened the other ones and wore them. But yeah, this is the first item. Next, I got some eyelash serum because my eyelashes are balding. They're little cow print PJs. Let me demonstrate them for you guys real quick. Okay, not too much. This isn't even mine. I'm just gonna... Alright, anyways. I got some eyebrow gel, some shampoo, some conditioner, all soft conditioner. I'm balding and I need to thicken my hair. Okay. I thought they're gonna be like a different shade of brown. Dang, they're big. The waist is just like a little bit loose, but nothing a belt can't fix, so. And duh, I had to order lashes. I know some people be asking me which lashes I use. It's whatever this is. And I just cut the ends off because they're like super long. I love these jeans. I've already overused the white ones so many times, so I have to get new colors. Here they are. And black. Let's try them on. They're just so long. And I got them so late that they weren't even on a good sale anymore. So I paid like $10 extra for each of them. What is it? Oh, I can't zip them up. Alright. Yeah, these are like my favorite jeans I've ever bought, with white ones. So this is completely random, but some guy at my work gave me like an old iPad he had. So now I don't know how old this thing is, but it's a free iPad, so can't complain. Last but not least, I got some stuff to make eternal roses. Because I low-key retired making them, but my friend asked me to make one, so. And then I do have another entire Shein package that was supposed to come yesterday, but I accidentally delivered it to the wrong address. So I'm just gonna wait till that comes and then just snip the videos together so you guys don't have to wait for part 2. So BRB. Okay, I finally got the rest of my stuff. I already opened the package because I wore this shirt yesterday. This is the first item, super cute. And then I also got this tube top. I might need to sew it to make it smaller because it looks kind of wide. I already have this shirt in brown. I had to buy it in black because I love it. And in red too. Super cute. I thought I ordered the light brown ones. These are like really dark brown. Cause I was gonna get black, but I want colors. And they look too big. I think these were a fail. But I still haven't tried them on. I'll see if I can make them work. And I think I might wear this one for Sunday for Pico. Oh, this looks so cute. And I also got some sticky bras. Y'all don't need to see that. And then finally, I have been needing to order white heels for months. I didn't even realize, but they're like snake prints. But I don't really care, it's still cute. And I got some very exciting news. Well, you guys probably don't care, but it's very exciting for me. I'm getting some packages soon from some brands. Can't wait to show you guys. Some of them are PR, but another one is like an actual brand deal. And just quick little shout out to AB&J Jewelry for being my first ever company to support me and send me PR when I only had like 10,000 followers. Not only, don't cancel me, y'all. Don't cancel me. Yeah, thank you to everyone watching. Thank you to everyone supporting me. Love you guys.